Once upon a time in the magical kingdom of Glimmerdale, there lived a princess named Lila. Unlike other princesses who spent their days in ball gowns and tiaras, Lila had a unique passion. She loved to solve problems and help her people. Instead of a crown, she wore a bright yellow hard hat, and instead of a royal carriage, she rode around on her trusty bicycle, which had a basket filled with tools and gadgets. One sunny morning, as Lila was pedaling through the village, she noticed a group of villagers gathered around a broken fountain. The water that once sparkled and danced had stopped flowing, and the people looked worried. Lila quickly hopped off her bike and approached them. "Don't worry, everyone. I can help," she announced cheerfully, opening her bright blue briefcase. Inside were all sorts of tools, from wrenches to colorful duct tape. The villagers gasped. "A princess with a briefcase?" one exclaimed. Lila smiled and replied, "Every princess needs to be prepared." With determination, Lila examined the fountain. She discovered that a big stone had fallen into the water pipe, blocking the flow. "I can fix this," she said confidently. She put on her gloves, rolled up her sleeves, and got to work. The villagers watched in awe as she used her tools to remove the stone. After a few minutes of hard work and a little teamwork from the villagers, the fountain was fixed. Water gushed out, sparkling in the sunlight, and everyone cheered. "Thank you, Princess Lila," the villagers shouted, clapping and dancing around the fountain. Lila beamed with pride, but she knew there was more to do. As the days went by, Princess Lila continued to help her kingdom. She fixed broken bridges, organized food drives for those in need, and even started a community garden where everyone could grow their own vegetables. But one day, a dark cloud loomed over Glimmerdale. The king of the neighboring kingdom, Grumbleton, had declared that he wanted to take over Glimmerdale because he was jealous of its beauty and happiness. "What should we do?" the villagers asked, trembling with fear. Lila thought hard, and then an idea sparked in her mind. "We need to show King Grumbleton the power of kindness and teamwork. Let's invite him to our kingdom for a grand feast." The villagers were hesitant but trusted their princess. Lila packed her briefcase with delicious treats, colorful decorations, and a heartfelt invitation. With her bicycle leading the way, she rode to Grumbleton's castle. When she arrived, she was greeted by a grumpy-looking king. King Grumbleton raised an eyebrow. "A feast? What's the catch?" "No catch at all," Lila replied. "Just come and enjoy a day filled with laughter, food, and friendship." After some hesitation, the king agreed. The next day, Lila and the villagers prepared for the feast. They decorated the village square with colorful banners and set up long tables filled with delicious food. When King Grumbleton arrived, he was taken aback by the beauty of Glimmerdale and the warmth of its people. At the feast, Lila introduced the king to all the villagers. They shared stories, laughed, and even danced together. As the sun began to set, King Grumbleton realized how happy and united everyone was. He felt a change in his heart. "Maybe I don't need to take over Glimmerdale," he said slowly. "Maybe I could learn from you instead." Lila smiled brightly. "You're always welcome here, King Grumbleton. Together, we can make both our kingdoms better." From that day on, the two kingdoms worked together, sharing resources, ideas, and friendship. Princess Lila continued to solve problems with her briefcase, and King Grumbleton learned the value of kindness and teamwork. The once grumpy king became a beloved friend, and Glimmerdale thrived like never before. And so, the princess with a briefcase taught everyone that true royalty comes from the heart and that the best way to rule is with kindness and cooperation. This story teaches kids the importance of problem-solving, teamwork, and kindness, all while being fun and engaging for a YouTube Kids channel.